Guys, a set a course at the Exoplex. Is it too difficult for Class 1? It's very possible it is. We're going to test it with this 10.3 right here. I'll show you this 10.3 on the table. We're going to get it right outside and see if it can complete the courses. Take a look. Here is my 10.3. Got an Element transmission in it. I got the mount from Bowhouse. It fits any 3-gear transmission. Love the upgrade. Love it. Got the battery up front, so it's almost like a 10.2 platform up here. But it does have Vitavon axle housings front and back. Got some brass. Got some weight down low. The wheels are 1.9 by Treal. Those are beautiful wheels for sure. Tires 4.19 Landmines by Jconcepts. Got a reef sway bar in the back. Stock shocks. And let me see, 1080 SC. Stock body. No interior because of, you know, that gets in the way. But anyway, that's it. Power this thing up with 3S and get it outside. And we're going to kick this off with the woods course. Nice. Should have kept that in the screen. That was cool. So that's getting better. The edges seem to be wearing off a little bit. Got to stay on them. These are getting a little more slack than what they used to. I know, in like a competition, you're going to be moving pretty quick. I'm going to try to step it up a little bit. Not bad, not bad. So far, so good for Class 1. Walking it pretty well. That's a piece of cake. Oh. There you go. Yeah, this is not a problem at all. Haven't got to the good stuff yet. Ooh. Should slow down for this. Oh, not done yet. Maybe I am. Nope, not yet. There we go. Whoa! Look at that. Crawled back up. Let me switch over. I like recording from this side over here for this part. Thought I was going off the dock. See, now this right here, you really got to be careful on. I got a few pieces in the middle to kind of help out, but oh! Oh, well, okay, this right here is a little tough. And we're going to take that up, set it right there. So that was a little tough, but I gotta say that's a little tough for anybody. Any level vehicle, you fall off like that. Oh, wow, look at this. I left my drill out here. Set that back here. I was out here setting up, so it hasn't been out here all day, just half a day. All right, and the rest of it is pretty much easy just across that, so we're good here. Now let's see what we got for the rock area. Just curious before we get to the competition part, you know, that if we're going to run some Class 1s out here, it needs to be, that's a nasty diff catcher. Oh! That was me looking up at that. That had nothing to do with the vehicle itself. I wasn't paying attention. There we go. Man, when you get up on a wall in a V like that, it almost never just drives right out, you know? Good job coming up out of that. Man, swapping this transmission was phenomenal. Best thing I've ever done to the 10-3 is get rid of that loud, clickety, clackety junk transmission that comes in the thing. Oh! Better stop talking that now. All right, let's see here. I know this is gonna get this. I was just going a little too fast on it. Now this spot right here, probably going to be a guaranteed gate hit. No, I cleared it with this. You know what? They can clear it. All right. This right here is kind of a gnarly spot, but you can choose to go low or high on that. And then we come up and around. And then over here we have the downhill, which is probably going to flip most everybody. Probably for sure this one. This is probably a for sure roll right here. Hey! I should pay attention. Oh, this is probably gonna be a roll for sure. Well, hit the gate, but it didn't roll. All right, on the other course here, right up the Mountains of Doom. Tell you what, I know I just mentioned about the transmission and all that. This thing didn't get fun to drive until I did the transmission swap. I'm not saying anything bad, but I really enjoy it more now. I'm gonna try to get over here. Okay, not bad. Now we move over to here into the other pile, and we got ridgeline. Ridgeline is not going to be very easy. Ooh, that was a spider web there. Did you? Woo! Now ridgeline is going to be the toughest climb on this whole course. Yeah, this is going to be the toughest climb for sure. Just because of the way everything is set up here. Whew. Yeah, this right here is probably going to require a winch or something here, because this right here is just going to be rough. Tries to come up, but I wonder if I can get at it different angle. Something like this maybe? No. Not even close. Alright, we're up on it. Let that drag brake roll itself down. There's a gate. But I did complete it without a winch, without anything pulling. Even though I did hit the gate, I did complete it. Like I say, that's going to be the hardest one, hardest climb. Over here, we get over on this side right here. Another gate. Now this right here is going to be another challenge. I don't know, maybe not too bad. Oh! Ah! Oof! Oof! Wow, that gate just got bent up, so We're just simply going to try to climb on up this again. Okay, so basically that was driver error on my part. Ooh, that is so rough. Wow. Wow. I was trying to go to the left to get away from all that. Oh, this is brutal. Oh, completed it. And we have the dirt course. This should be easier. Shouldn't be all that bad, I hope. Nice, easy dirt, right? I do not have any wheel speed here. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ah, there we go. Got that. Sometimes in Florida, you need wheel speed. You take it out for the rocks. You miss. Oh, look at that. I almost got that. Almost cleared that. Oh, wow. This is going to be a gate for sure. Yep. That gate's going to get tore up. Oh, look at this side hill action. This is good. This is good. Definitely going to be some gates hit on this one. You got to go hard. Another gate. You got to get up here, then turn uphill. There we go, got it. Now the gates up at the very top are wide, like wider than normal even for me. Because when you're up that high, or if you're on a dirt pile, you don't want people to walk on it. Well, you gotta widen up some gates so they don't think they're so narrow that they have to get up on it. Oh my goodness. This is soft. Another gate. Oh my God. This dirt is going to be the best part. Oh. Oh, wow. Woo. I got to tell you, I'm having more fun on this dirt course than I did on the rocks. Oh, look at this one. I got to get all in new position to try to get this one right here. This dirt's more fun than the rock. Oh, another gate. And we're gonna finish. Yay! This dirt was fun. Oh man, I had a blast on this dirt. That was awesome. In the end, there is some spots that are not Class 1 friendly, especially ridgeline. I guess I was feeling kind of crazy when I put that in the course, but the wood stuff, pretty much, this has been across all that. That was kind of my driver error on that one as far as falling into it. Nothing to do with the truck or really the difficult of the entire top part of it. So that was kind of me on that one. The rocks, you know, that's where you get into some of the tougher stuff. Not really Class 1 friendly in my opinion, but I got it. It went across. So then we got over to my most favorite part of the entire thing, the dirt. Oh my God, all that soft stuff was just a blast. I really needed more tire speed, but I was somehow able to get it over. It just got it. And I think maybe that's part of why I had so much fun there, because it had just enough. I mean, all the way down, full throttle, just enough. I hit probably, I don't know what, 5 or 6 gates, but that was a fun one. I really liked that dirt course. That was fun. So, but anyway, I don't really think it's Class 1 friendly out there, but we'll find out when everybody gets over here and we actually host this competition. So, guys, hopefully you liked that video. I will put links to everything I can find on here down below in the description. So, AMain, eBay, Amazon, and Horizon. There are affiliate links. They help out the channel when you guys use them. So, I really appreciate it when you guys use them, guys. It It means a lot to me. So, guys, check that description. Use those links. Make sure you're subscribed. And thank you all for watching. Guys, if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. So, in the description, there's a link to become a channel member. If you want to become a channel member, it's a very simple $2, $5, $10, or if you really got some money, $25 a month. It's a simple way to support the channel. So, get that, and I am doing monthly giveaways for members only, so you might want to consider it. So, guys, use those links. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you all for watching.